Hi friends, welcome to HashTechie. So in continuation of our Java collection series, I'd like to bring on you this video related to HashSet. So what is HashSet? So HashSet is basically works on hashing principle. Means it's generally uses hashing principle to store the objects in the memory by default the size is 16, and internally it uh, stores elements in form of buckets, and it reassigns the bucket as the dynamically as the uh, hash set changes, similarly to the hash map principle. So we have hash set, and basically I added all the elements over here. Note, hash set is peculiar for its unique elements. So if you add one element that is repeatedly or that is duplicate, it will take only the last value, and only single value would be taken into consideration. So so indirectly it will override the previous duplicate value, and only one unique value of that particular element will be taken into consideration. So that's the specialty of a hash set. So it doesn't allow any kind of duplicate elements. So for the as in the my introductory video of collection, so it can be a list of employee cards so that are unique some addresses that need to be there. So in such scenarios you can make use of hash set, so that are that those kind of elements are particular to the specific entities. So what I've done, I've just taken, for example, I've taken a set of integers. So you have to denote in the simple way, just use set of the java.util dot has set collection. So only one class you need to include here. Note, to achieve the code optimization, can also use you need to use only the class that is required. Unnecessary classes needed to be omitted specifically according to the Java convention standards. So I just need java.util.asset. If I use dot star, then all the classes will be utilized. It's just not required. So I use only HashSet, and I note here set being an interface. So the method that's being set, you have to specify in the generics. In the generics, you have to specify the data type of which particularly value it will hold, that particular set. What particular data type values it will hold? Be it integer, float, double, boolean, what kind of value note. And here also we have to specify the wrapper class of that particular data type. So I have specified integer here, and as I said that it contains take only the unique elements. So ideally the list should be printed as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And I also make the use of for each, and I just invoke the set of numbers dot for each value. Note here, you have to just specify the lambda, give the lambda, and you have to specify what method system.out.println over here, and has set values. So this will internally print all the elements that are present in the hash set, and as I told you, it will print unique elements 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And also for demo purpose, I have taken use of contains method. So it has contains method, and so if particular element we need to check whether it exists in the set or not. You can also use in the case of list contains method. There are also contains all method is there. Contains and contains all method is there. If you hover your mouse over there, it will give you. But for our purpose, I use contains. Contains all is written through in the specified collection also set if it is a subset of this set. So indirectly, if some other set needs to be uh, it is a subset of that set, that particular set. And you have to check that particular set is subset of other set. That in that case, specifically, you can use contains all. So, but by my I don't have and made it simple. I just taken into consideration single set. So I will just take the element that I want to research, and use contains one and a note here to specify which element you want to search. You have to just give its value over here, and I'm sure the below output will be printed as we are sure that the element contains set. In that set, one is there, so I'm sure the below output will be printed in the console. So now let's compile the code. See, as you can see in front of the screen, it is correctly printed 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's omitted the duplicate one value over there, and also the below output line code is printed. Element 1 is present in the HashSet. It's printed correctly, so that can be seen over here. So this video I just gave a brief demo of HashSet and what operations, how it works, and what operations can basically perform a HashSet. Similarly, to add contains, we can also use remove, and some other methods are also there. So specifically, I am showing some unique methods in each video. So in the previous video, in the list, the remove method, and in this method I've shown contains method, that is specifically the collections, and also yeah, I leverage the power of Java to here. So that was all about HashSet. Do keep liking, subscribing, hashtag me. Bye for now.